Alright, so we're here at the Friday show at SEMA 2024 and we're checking out the BotX Robotic Welder. Here's some precision welding like this in 3D space.
Want to see a weld?
Yeah.
He's setting it up right now. So we're just fixing the points because we don't have a real fixture.
Yeah.
So we have to touch up our points almost every time and then we can ready.
Gotcha. But if you're manufacturing stuff, you'll have like a setup fixture and it can just do anything.
At least to locate this back piece, that's all you need.
Looks sick.
So this one specifically is called the Cobot. Have you ever heard that word?
I have not.
So Cobot is collaborative robot.
Okay.
That means it can work next to us without injuring us.
Nice.
Other than the arc flash, so that's why the
Yeah. Beautiful. It's almost as good as my welds. Totally kidding.
Actually, the first person to say that.